There's a bird playing in the window of the car. There's a bird playing with a mirror. Good morning. So every time in the early morning as soon as I open up the van, a bunch of cold air pours out and it feels so nice. I think I have to start sleeping in the van soon. But the girls are chasing each other right now. And the big news is that tomorrow Alice comes back from Europe. Yay! There's so much room back here. What are you doing, huh? Good come. Good come. Right. Go home. They're chasing a deer. Today's been a busy day at work and a lot of meetings. But it's been an okay day. This morning I took a quick swim and I took the dogs in with me. And I think they kind of liked it. It was fun. I had to force them to come in though, because I don't think they're confident enough to do it by themselves. But I'm going to keep trying to teach them, and hopefully they'll get more comfortable with it. Tomorrow is the big day when Alice comes back from Europe, and when I'm going to do my first volunteering transporting dogs. And I'm a little bit nervous, but maybe not too nervous. It's a pretty long trip. It's gonna be over 150 miles. So I'm definitely gonna have to charge up twice, maybe. Yeah, 2 times. So we'll see how it goes. I guess I'm just worried about the dogs being uncomfortable or too hot. So we'll see. So I'm about done for today. Finally got the crates set up and got some better of these, what are these called? Straps. So I'm gonna have this large crate here, these 2 medium ones, and then one other one. One dog's coming from Del Rio, so they're gonna have a crate with them. But I think it looks like I have enough room and everything looks good. Yeah, I haven't been doing anything with the van build really. Like not done with the insulation, which I have to continue with, and still waiting to figure out the solar and electric parts. So it's just going slow, and I don't know, that's okay for now.